Hi families and students, welcome back to our lesson for word study. This will be on classification and it will be classification 1, 2, and 3. For this first week you are going to do activity 1. Week 2 it'll be activity 2, and in our third week with this packet it will be activity 3. Okay? So with classification, to classify words means that you categorize them or put them in groups based on similarities, okay? So if you look at the columns, it says shapes, colors, numbers, and names. Shapes, colors, numbers, names. So the directions say write each word under the correct category. You can look and go by each box, or if you say, I know my shapes, the name of my shapes, I can find the shapes and write them, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this first box and read the word. This says Greg. I know that Greg is a name. So I'm going to write Greg under the column that says names. Once I'm done, I can cross it out because I know that I've already used it. Okay? You can either go this way, you can go horizontally, or you can go vertically. All right, you can go to the next one. And speaking of one, this word says 1. So I know that this is a number. I'm going to write down the word under numbers, okay? So you will continue this process until you fill up every space, and we will check back our work in just a second. But what I'm going to go ahead and do, just in case we need some help with reading the words, I will read them to you, okay? This word, we're going to sound it out. Red. Red. So red would be under what category? This is a sight word, okay, but this is a number and it says 2. So this is when we will need to make sure we know how to spell our colors and the numbers, okay? This is 2. This word is yellow. This word says Ryan. 3. Triangle. 4. Octagon. 5. Black. Rhombus. Purple. Alex. Blue. 6. Doug. Green. Sally. Square. Pam. Rectangle. Oval. All right, so now that I've read them, this will be the opportunity for you to put them in categories. One thing to think about if you are not sure where to put certain things. If you look at a name, it's going to start with a capital letter. So that is when you can use process of elimination. All right, so we will be back here in a little bit to check our answers.